Alright, so here we are, VEDA Day 9, the video I made at work, making Dan salt. Audio's terrible, so I'm gonna upload it anyway, and let's see how I make it. So we're taking the dogs for a walk. There's little Maggie. Crazy little Maggie. And there's Bailey. So it's probably gonna be a short one today. They're going crazy. Come on, Maggie. Come on. And it's windy as hell right now because there's a cold front coming through, which we may get some severe weather tonight. I gotta turn around. And here goes Maggie chasing Bailey. Cross in front of Mama. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna upload the making of Dan salt today, and I will include in the description, there will be everything you need to make it. I'm sorry for the audio. I didn't count on the VEDA hood being that loud and the video quality being as bad as it is. But oh shit. Oh, dogs. Oh, Maggie's going apeshit. Come on. But we'll see how it goes. If you want to watch it, watch it. If you don't, that's fine. I don't care. Maggie, come on. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they're two little Scottish Terriers. Sorry, Maggie's going apeshit. And I'm running towards the park. Okay, so yeah. So if you want to watch that video, then you can watch it. If not, I understand. Come on, Maggie. Come on. What are you sniffing? Pee? Come on. Oh, now we gotta catch up. Oh shit. Okay. Alright. Oh. Come on. God damn, it's hard to follow a dog. Especially one that's crazy and wants to run around everywhere. She's pretty much pulling me. And there's Bailey. See, Bailey's good. Maggie's like, oh, fuck this. Let me smell some shit. Nope. You pee? Nope. Oh, just go ape shit. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Avoid the wire. And here we go. And there's some... Oh, Chelsea almost just busted her ass. So I can't go anywhere. I'm stuck. Okay, problem solved. Some kids playing in the fucking water. It's fucking gross. Come on, Maggie. You don't know me. Alright, well, we're gonna get up here and check on my cache real quick. Maybe. We'll see how much water's in there.
She's peeing.
Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna show that. Maggie had to pee. Okay, here she is again. Alright, well, let me get out of here for now. Oh, shit. What? What do you sniff? Huh?
I don't know if this is chestnut.
No, there's those crazy damn balls. We should throw them at each other. Come on.
No, I know that. I'm just saying that's fun.
Oh, I know. Alright, so for now, yoink. I'm gonna say goodbye because we're walking the dogs. And they're wearing me out. Alright, so. Ooh, jerky. Later!